Hi everyone. Over 3 decades after first rolling into Europe, the Honda Africa Twin is a name that is still synonymous with history and adventure. For 2022, the CRF1100L Africa Twin and its continent-crossing sibling, the CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports, both feature new practical upgrades, refined dual-clutch transmission, DCT, settings and striking new looks. For 2022, both the Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports receive updates to further increase their daily practicality. The CRF1100L Africa Twin now features an aluminum rear carrier as standard, and the CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports benefits from a new 110mm lower 5-stage adjustable screen that improves visibility and doesn't compromise on weather protection. Both DCT versions of the Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports are updated for 2022. With new refined settings to deliver even smoother handling in the first 2 gears from a standing start and at low speeds. Honda have sold over 200,000 DCT-equipped motorcycles across Europe since the system was first introduced on the VFR 1200F in 2009, a testament to its broad appeal and acceptance in the marketplace. To complete the 2022 upgrades, both models receive striking new color and graphic updates. The CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports features new cracked terrain graphics and the CRF1100L Africa Twin now features a new big logo design with revised color schemes that feature all new black aluminum side covers and a bold red rear subframe. The CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports shares the frame, engine and riding position of the off-road focused CRF1100L Africa Twin, but has a role very much of its own, to offer riders real continent-crossing long-haul ability and practicality both on and off-road. This comes in the shape of a large 24.8 liters fuel tank, extensive wind protection, from both the fairing and fairing side panels, height adjustable screen, large engine sump guard, aluminium rear carrier plus tubeless wheels and tires. ACC charger and heated grips are also standard fit. The 20mm change made it smaller, slimmer, lower and 5 kg lighter than the previous 998cc model, and offered stronger performance with changes to the engine that produced 7% more peak power, 6% more peak torque and much greater strength everywhere in the rev range. It was also Honda's first Euro 5 compliant engine. The frame too was completely revised and featured a new bolt-on aluminium subframe. The aluminium swing arm was based on that of the CRF450R motocrosser. At the center of the Africa Twin Adventure Sports, a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, controls not only the 7-level HSTC but also 3-level wheelie control, cornering ABS, with off-road setting, rear lift control and DCT cornering detection. There are 4 default riding modes: urban, tour, gravel and off-road. For optimum suspension damping front and rear, the Africa Twin Adventure Sports is also available with Showa Air as an option. 4 default modes, soft, mid, hard and off-road, cover every type of riding situation, and there's a user mode for further fine-tuning. Rear spring preload can also be adjusted while stationary. Tailored for complete control, the riding position features a slim section seat and high-set handlebars. Dual LED daytime running lights, DRL, feature 3-stage cornering lights that automatically adjust the field of illumination depending on the lean angle, giving optimum visibility, improving safety. Cruise control and heated grips are standard fit. A full-color multi-information display, MID, 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen brings immersive engagement with the machine's systems, plus Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity, with Android Auto functionality introduced in early 2021. For 22mm, the CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sport now features refined dual-clutch transmission, DCT, settings for even smoother handling in first and second gears, a new shorter adjustable screen, and striking new cracked terrain graphics. Thanks for watching.